This is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN Network. And joining me right now is Darcy Marud. He is the president and CEO of Western Exploration, Inc. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you: WEX on the TSX Venture and WEXPF on the OTCQX. And Western Exploration will be presenting at our upcoming in-person investor conference, the Planet MicroCap Showcase, happening May 3rd through the 5th, 2022 at Bally's Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. For more information, please go to www.planetmicrocapshowcase.com to register. With that, Darcy, thank you so much for joining me today. How are you doing?
Good, thanks. Hey, it's a pleasure. Thanks for the invite. Really appreciate it.
Absolutely. So this is our first time doing an interview together. So can you start us off with a quick overview and history of Western Exploration?
Sure. It's a new company on the exchange. We were only listed in early January, or mid-January to be exact, January 19th. But the company itself has a history of over 25 years exploring in Nevada. A lot of the original members of that company back in the late 90s are still here. So it's a group that's been very successful in Nevada for a long time, but it's really only in the last year or so that we decided to take the company public to access more capital in the public markets to advance our assets.
Absolutely. So Darcy, what would you say makes the company and the projects you're working on unique and different compared to some of your peers out there?
I think the thing that makes us a little bit different is that we're an advanced asset in Nevada. It hasn't been in the public eye for a long time. As I said, we've been around for 25 years, but only a public company for less than a year. But this asset's been drilled by at least 4 other companies. Western's been drilling there since 1997. So it's a project that's been advanced a lot, but not very well known. So I think if you look at the project from that perspective, it's very different, that it's not a retread in the industry. It hasn't been around a long time, but also we've got 3 different resource areas on the project: Dobie George, Gravel Creek, and the Wood Gulch deposit, which was formerly mined my home stake. So it's got a lot of exploration upside, but also it's new to the market. So I think that's what makes this kind of special to everybody.
Very good. And what's your background? How'd you come into all this?
Well, I'm a geologist. I've been in the industry for the better part of 40 years. I've been living in Reno for about the last 14 years. But before that, I was with Meridian Gold, which was based in Reno, but I was based in South America. I joined Yamana Gold Company in 2007. I was with them till 2017. And my roles have been Senior Vice President of Exploration, Executive Vice President of Exploration for those companies. So I'm an explorationist at heart. Finding gold is what makes me tick.
Very good. And then before I let you go here today, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's value catalysts now for the rest of 2022?
Yeah, we're going to be starting a drill program here in mid-year. The idea there is to de-risk the Dobie George asset, take it to a pre-feasibility level of study. We think we've got a very good opportunity with a high-grade, open pitable heap leach target that we could probably have a production decision on within the next 24 to 30 months. So I think that's going to be the first thing we do. And the second is we're going to be talking a lot more about our Gravel Creek asset, which is a discovery made by the company in 2017. And we're about to put out some news on that probably in April to May timeframe about some new exploration targets that we've identified there that we'll certainly be looking forward to drilling in the near future as well.
Very good. Well, Darcy, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on Western Exploration?
We are on the internet, of course, www.westernexploration.com. I was going to call it the interweb there for a second, thinking back to the old movies. We've also got a site on LinkedIn where you can follow a lot of videos that the company puts out about our project and about our people. I think that's the 2 best areas to really locate us, or for sure, come and see us at the conference. We're happy to talk to anybody there.
I so wish you said interweb. That would have been great. That would have just been like, look, I'm a geologist. I'm in the field. Interweb, internet. Yeah, you got the website. But well, Darcy, with that, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And I'll see you in Vegas.
You betcha. Look forward to it. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.